In today's video, I'm going to teach you import journal entries in QuickBooks Online. If you've got journal data sitting in a spreadsheet and you want it living in QuickBooks, this walkthrough will help you move it over quickly and accurately without retyping. Before we click anything, a quick setup tip. Make sure your journal data is clean. Each journal entry should balance, with total debits equaling total credits. Dates should be valid and consistent, and account names should match your chart of accounts exactly. If you're using a file, save it as CSV or Excel, and include clear column headers like date, account, debit, credit, and memo. Keeping your data tidy up front will make the import smooth. Now, head into QuickBooks Online. Look to the top right and click the gear icon. This opens your tools and settings. From there, choose Import Data. This is the central hub for bringing information into your company file. On the Import Data page, select Journal Entries as the record type. This tells QuickBooks exactly what kind of information you're bringing in and enables the fields specific to journals. Next, click Import. You'll be given two ways to proceed. Import by uploading a file or sync to a spreadsheet. If you're uploading a file, choose your CSV or Excel document and continue. QuickBooks will prompt you to map your columns to its fields. Carefully match each one, making sure your debit and credit columns line up with the correct QuickBooks fields, and that your account names match what's already in your chart. Watch for optional fields like memo, name, class, or location if you use them. If you prefer to sync to a spreadsheet, connect the supported spreadsheet source and pick the sheet that holds your journal data. Ensure the columns in your sheet are clearly labeled and follow the same structure, so the mapping step is straightforward. Authorize the connection, select the relevant tab, and proceed. From here, just follow along with the on-screen steps to properly import the data. You'll typically see a preview, and if anything doesn't look right, like an unbalanced line or an account that doesn't exist, QuickBooks will flag it so you can correct your file and try again. Take a moment to read any messages carefully. They're designed to help you get a clean import. And that's all. You've learned how to access import data, select journal entries, choose between file upload or spreadsheet sync, and follow the guided steps to complete your import confidently.